Hello, indang mo. Ka video tem lo sa kawangin kalome. Mizo trong hian kam ai lo shima. Ka trong te lo pai deu ni chamin lo shi thiam dan ya o. Win kam lo hi to ba dei vlog ania nga. Ka jinna ka thom no ha le eng activity nge kan ti ti kha ga run ti nang do na mo. Min lo en sak tik don ya o. Kalome.
Happy birthday.
Free Starbucks.
God, you call me by my name.
Okay, chú nào cần sinh cha, cần suitcase thì cần Valadonia ô.
Girl, blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm.
Hello, day one.
Told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again.
Ni sal tu kwalum tu kan o dai don kan hatera.
Until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are.
Good morning. Going today to do not lie dari lesson very to a. Kuya ma kan lo kan sa tu ka kan sing top. Masih dah lu lesson via dan reservation ka sa mo siya kan kalangay. Karon ni siya nga ka tham thawag ti karon tinangay dan niya oh.
Even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Kapuar lutuk kan hoto don.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it.
Hello, going today 3. Kuya kan don. Massage day, arim chuan kan tiang. Okay, tu na hian the same bar kan kal don. Hello ma. Kanin massage dora the same bar yan kan ngam me kan
all you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah. All I want is in
Only tu na kampanin personal time kan pamhanga nagtuga kaning huli doon niya Good morning. Going today for tuna darli le sambe. Aritua. Da tumbe la kan toa going to engma. I mean boat ride ka kan ride do na. Ka jiu kan ni mai ti tu gan nei. Da kai ma amoy niya one set niyan. Nakina kan ni budon niya Okay, tuna kan boat ride na tu kan keng kwa.
And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing,
Outfit ka.
is take
Ronti lang te.
out of what's gotten us here and now trade it for the presence of what God
Moy
has
ve
done.
chia niya
Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise? Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading where I used to go and I'm putting it in the one who can actually heal me.
Okay, tuna yan. Boat ride kan nei me ka famous arch. Kan keng to famous arch. Kalai kan ya.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
Good morning. When here day za nang ngeti ko kasi tolo. Kalun na tuk ka chow tuk chu bang chuan engma kan tila bang day one dinner reservation kasi am namo kan kalelo na kan kalanga tlai cho le chu cho lunch and dinner ka kan chuan kan hotel kan hole nga chuan kan
close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.
Okay, buin chu kan last day niya. Downtown na kan uma. Nimimpia kanin massage na kan le don nuam kan til tu kamo. Kanin massage le don ani chu. Tuna kan last day same bar kan tlang cha massage kan tile do ni chu ke chu 90 minutes an yang ka pasal chu 60
I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let 'em know. Yeah. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah. I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like His land.